Okay, it's a bit blowy, but we're going to video this one. It's with my headset, so hopefully you can hear it. Stick her in there, Dad. Okay, so I've gone down about 3 inches. There's a lot of crap on the surface, but we've never been this deep without it being gold. So I'll give it another dig and we'll get back to you. Hopefully you can hear me over the wind. Righto, see all right? So here we go, this better be gold. Actually, let me come around, you come around that way in the sun. Got it there?
Yeah. Still in there?
In here somewhere. Oh, I can feel a bit of weight there.
You feel a bit of weight?
A lot of weight actually.
You'd want
I
it.
think it might be this one. That's it, but what is it? It's gold, baby! Your beauty, that's a little ripper. That's a, oh, excuse me, that's a little ripper. That's got to be over a gram.
Yeah.
Oh man, I haven't found a good nugget like that for yonks. Your beauty! Yes.